The type of insurance you should have should protect you and your family. Besides having liability limits, I think you should also consider having medical payment coverage. And what medical payment coverage is that it provides medical benefits for medical bills that anyone in your car incurs as a result of an automobile accident. And when I tell people you should look into medical payment coverage if you do not have any health insurance. And this is a means that you provide your own health insurance whenever you're in a car. Most of the time we forget about providing coverage for ourselves in our own vehicle. The interesting thing about uninsured motorist coverage is that it only applies if you're free from fault and the other party has no insurance or not enough insurance. And what it does, it provides protection for you for lost wages, general damages, loss of enjoyment of life, disability, and any other damages that you have a right to collect against the tortfeasor who caused your accident. You can now make that claim against your own insurance company. I encourage you to ask your agent about what is uninsured motorist coverage and how much is it. And you'll be surprised to find out what that coverage provides and how cheap it is relative to liability coverage. In addition, you should also consider umbrella policies based on your finances and whether you can afford it. Umbrella policy applies over and beyond your liability limits, and it protects you up to certain amounts. Sometimes it's $500,000, sometimes it's $1 million, sometimes it's $2 million. But the interesting thing about umbrella policy is similar to in that it's not substantially more in cost as it is for your general liability policy that you have on your car. People often ask what 10-20-10 policy is, and what that is $10,000 that represents the most that an insurance company will pay to any one individual that's injured in an automobile accident. $20,000, the second one, 10-20, represents the total amount they'll pay whether there's 10 claimants or 5 claimants. That's the most they'll pay is $20,000. And the last 10 on 10-20-10 policy is the amount that the insurance company will pay regarding property damage. So if there's 3 cars involved, the most this insurance company will pay will be $10,000.